Good morning, students. Now I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. So, in the last, if you have got textbook, please open your textbook, page number 29. Okay, children. So, in the last class, I explained you about the lesson just being kind. So, which are the good manners, which are not good manners, and what we must say and all. No, children. So we must say thank you, please. No, children. So for sorry, if you hurt someone, we must say sorry, and if we sneeze, we must say excuse me, and if we want something, we must say please. No, children. So hello means when we are meeting someone, we must say hello, thank you, and all. So and afterwards good manners and not good manners. No, children. So now we can study about the lesson just be kind, page number 29. I am going to read the lesson. Listen carefully. Okay, children. Ammu was 6 years old. She was very selfish. That is why she had no friends. One day a new girl, Priya, came to class 1. Poor Priya, she found Maths and Kannada difficult. She used to cry sometimes. Help her to learn, Ammu, said Ammu's mother. No, I won't, said Ammu. Priya is a crybaby. Ammu's mother said, all right, no swimming for you. Ammu loved to go to the swimming pool, so she had to teach Maths to Priya. Soon Priya could do her homework easily. One day, Ammu got angry and pushed a boy. The teacher was not happy with her. Ammu had to stay back after school. She had to clean the board and make the class tidy. All alone, she cried and cried. That is how Priya saw her. She helped Ammu and the class was so neat and clean. Thanks, Priya, said Ammu. Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. The two girls became the best of friends. So, this is a story about how we must be kind to others. I'll explain that one. So, this girl named Ammu, she was called as Ammu and she was 6 years old. So, she was very selfish and that's why she had no friends at all. So, if she was studying in the school, no. So, one day for that class, in our class, a new girl came. So that girl name was Priya. So this Ammu was studying in first standard. So for that class, a new girl came. Her name was Priya. So this poor Priya, she was difficult in Maths and Kannada. She don't know about Maths and Kannada, and she used to cry sometimes. Who was crying? Priya was crying that she felt hard in Maths and Kannada. She don't know how to solve Maths and don't know how to read Kannada. So this Ammu came and told for her mother, no. So Ammu's mother told to Ammu that you can help her, no Ammu. Priya is she is finding difficult to read. So go and help her. So who told like that? Ammu's mother told for Ammu. So Ammu told that I won't help her because she is a crybaby. Every time she will be crying. So Priya will be every time crying. So I won't help her. So by listening this one, Ammu's mother what she told? Alright, now I won't send for swimming because Ammu loved swimming very much. No, children? She loved to go and swim in the swimming pool. So mother told like that, no swimming for you. So she had to teach Maths to Priya, Maths and Kannada. So Ammu was teaching, no. So Priya could do her homework easily. Children, one day Ammu got angry and she pushed a boy. So by seeing this one, the teacher got angry with Ammu, and the teacher told for Ammu to stay back and clean all the class. So for this, teacher gave punishment. What punishment she gave? She had to clean the board and make the classroom clean. Only she was left and she was crying. Who was crying? Ammu was crying because she was alone and she was crying. By seeing this crying, Priya told that I will help Ammu, and she helped Ammu to clean the classroom. So after a few seconds, after 1 hour, the classroom was neat and clean. So Priya helped Ammu to clean the classroom, no? So Ammu told for Priya, thanks Priya. You came and helped me to clean the class. No children? So Priya thought how to be kind for Ammu. And after that day onwards, the two girls became the best friends. Okay children? So I'll say in Kannada also. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಅವಳಿಗೆ 6 ವರ್ಷ. ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಲು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಸಹಾಯನೂ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಅವಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಓದ್ತಾಯಿದ್ಲು. ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಓದ್ತಾಯಿದ್ಲು. ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಹೊಸ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೊಸ ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀನು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಅಮ್ಮು ಅವರು ಅಮ್ಮ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ. ಸರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀನು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ನ ಕಲಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮು ಅವರಮ್ಮ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಯಾರು? ಅಮ್ಮು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊತಾಳೆ. ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅಮ್ಮು ಕೋಪ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನ್ನ ತಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆವಾಗ ತಳ್ಳೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಟೀಚರ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ, ನೀನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೋರ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಒರೆಸಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇವಳು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇವಳು ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇವಳು ಅಳೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೀನು ಅಳ್ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ. ಬೋರ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ match the words and their meanings. In the A side they given and the B side also given, and read A side. First is cry baby. In the B side, so in the second line, meaning is a child who cries for everything. Second one, friend. Friend means someone you like. Okay children. See one, selfish. So in the B side, first line it is there, thinking only about oneself. Fourth one, neat and tidy. Neat and tidy means everything in its place. Next, even, kind. Kind means good. Next, swimming pool. So swimming pool means a big pond of water where one can swim. Next, punish. To make a wrong, do you suffer a bit? So these are the meanings and math the following. Okay, children. Now, anything doubt, children? Shall I ask some questions, children? So, in which class did Ammo study, children? So, Ammo studied in class 1. Next question. Priya found 2 subjects hard. What were they? So, which subject she found hard? So, Maths and Kannada she found hard. Oh, no, children? Next. Why was the teacher not happy with Ammu, children? The teacher was not happy with Ammu because Ammu pushed a boy. No, children? Next. How did Priya help Ammu? So, how did she help? So, Priya helped Ammu in cleaning the class. No, children? Next. What did Priya teach Ammu? So, Priya taught Ammu how to be kind. Next. Here are some statements from the story. There are also some new statements. Write who says these words. First one. I am new in this class. Now, who told like this? I am new in this class. So, Priya. Priya told this one. Second, Maths and Kannada are so hard. So, for who it is hard? Maths and Kannada? It is hard for Priya. Third one, help her to learn. Who said these lines? So, mother said this line. Fourth one, she is a crybaby. So, who said these words? Ammu said these words to her mother. Fifth one, you must stay back and clean the class. So, who said this line? So, the teacher said this for Ammu. Next, don't cry, I will help you. Who said these words, children? So, this lines was said by Priya. For whom she told? For Ammu. Next one. Thank you for being kind to me. So, who said this line? Ammu told this line for Priya. Okay, children. Next. Look at the box below and circle the odd one out. So, they are given here 4 lines. So, 4 words they are given. In that, which is the odd one, you must circle. Shout, yell, scream, whisper. Means shout means shouting loudly. Yell is also loudly. Scream is also loudly. But whisper is very slow, you must talk. So, this is odd one. So, for whisper, you must put circle. Children? Next. Always, often, never, many times. So, for never, you must put circle. Laugh loudly, smile, speak aloud, cry out. So, for cry out, you must put circle because it is a odd one. Speak aloud means you must speak loudly. Smile is also loudly, laugh loudly is also. So, for cry out, you must put circle. Throw, hold, toss, fling. So, for toss, you must put the circle. Clean, messy, tidy, neat. Messy means galichu. Clean, tidy and neat are 3 words and this messy is different. So, you must put circle for messy. Alone, single, together, by yourself. Together means more members. Alone means only one, single means one, by yourself is only one. But together means more than 2. So, for together, you must put circle. Children, next. Complete this sentence about Ammu and Priya. Ammu was very selfish. Next, teacher said, what she said? For Ammu to stay back after school. Next, Priya was a crybaby. Mother wanted Ammu to help Priya. Next, Ammu and Priya became best friends. No, children? Next, let us speak. Discuss with your partner and pick 5 things that you want to do from the idea box below. Put the mark right next to them. Ask your partner to do the same for 5 other things. Idea box they are given. So you must do by yourself. Okay, children. Next. Yeah. Pair work. Put in the missing words to make some good rules. So the good rules are always and never. First one they have done. Never climb on the walls. So other four fill the blanks is there. You must write always or never. Dash walk on footpaths. So you must always walk on the footpaths. Dash frighten animals. So never will come in the dash. You must never frighten animals. Next, dash close the gate behind you. So you must always close the gate behind you. Next one, dash drop sweet wrappers or spit on the road. So in the dash you must write never. Never drop sweet wrappers or spit on the road. Okay, children. Next, write two more rules, one with never and the other with always. So other two you must write by yourself, one with never and another with always. So for never must write good rules. So the good rules is never fight with others. Next, always. So you must always speak the truth. Okay, children. Next, put these words in the alphabetical order starting with A. So they are given here mixed. So you must write starting with A. So for A is in the bracket they are given some words. You must choose that one and write. So for A is Ammu. B is Beena. C is Kathy. D is Deepak. E is Isha. F is Feroz. G is Govind. Okay, children. Next. Fill in the blanks with words from the box and complete the following passage. So they are given some passage and in the box they are given some words. So must choose that one and write. Minnie was late. Sorry ma'am, she apologized. I missed my bus today. I won't repeat it. I will excuse you, Minnie, said Mrs. Kalyani. Be punctual next time. Okay, children. Next, give the opposites of. First one they have done, that is easy. Easy opposite is difficult or hard. Next one is kind. So kind for kind opposite is cruel. Next, cry, laugh, neat, dirty, friend, enemy, new, old. Okay, children. So these are the lessons, question answers, new types. So I think you could have understood, children. I will give you classwork also. So please complete the classwork, sit and write in the classwork. Okay, children. Thank you, children.